Before this video starts, I recommend you guys go watch my Crypto.com discussion with Satoshi Aoki. We discussed the debit cards, the DeFi wallet, staking on chain, the Crow chain, and a lot more relating to Crypto.com and all their whole ecosystem. So definitely go check out this video and check out his channel as well. It seems to only have 183 views, probably because I premiered it, but it's a great video. There's a lot that's discussed, and it'll answer probably a lot of questions that you guys have relating to Crypto.com and CRO and everything. So definitely go check it out, and now we'll get started into this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your validator and how to choose your validator as well if you are not staked yet on chain. So you're going to want to go into your DeFi wallet app, but make sure you update it on the Google Play Store or the App Store on iPhone. And once you go into your DeFi wallet, you'll then click Earn on the bottom right, and then you'll click on Crow right here in this asset. It'll bring you to all your stakes. So basically just go to where all your stakes are. And as you can see, this one is not a Crypto.com validator, and I'm staking on it. So you'll click the little three dots on the top right of each validator, and then you'll click Switch Validator as an option. Then when you click Switch Validator, you just want to click Max Amount, and then it'll pay the gas fees and everything. So make sure you have enough in your crypto wallet as well to pay the gas fees. And I decided to go with Smart Stake, as you can see. And when you click on the little list right there, there'll be a bunch of different validators. It still is hand selected. So there's a lot that Crypto.com owned, but there's also some that are just kind of like random that's not owned by Crypto.com. And so this is just a start. They're obviously going to make it to where you can literally choose any validator you want. Right now, it's just a small hand selected amount. But yeah, then you'll click Confirm to Send. Once you do that, you'll get the request submitted, and it'll be switching validators. It doesn't take that long. As you can see, it's already going. And I did this twice with two of my validators because I was basically moving everything over to one. There's really no reason to have different ones. And then I just had it all staked. And I'll actually tell you guys why I staked for CC-smartstake.io. So the reason I did this, and I recommend you guys to also not choose a Crypto.com validator. If you're staking already, I recommend restaking like how I just did with a Switch validator, and choose a non-CDC validator. And the reason I say that is because of decentralization. When the top 10 nodes are all ran by Crypto.com, they kind of get the say on what happens with the Crow network on chain. And they can kind of, with their voting power, they can choose everything that happens. And so technically, you could be considered the Crow chain is centralized because of that. If you don't care too much about that, just realize that a lot of people do care, and they may want to look at who the top validators are before even buying any Crow and staking on chain to see if it's a project they even want to invest in and stake. So by making the top 10 non-Crypto.com validators, you'll actually get a lot more people who are likely to be more bullish on Crow and more likely to buy Crow and stake it on chain as well. So you're kind of just helping everything. You're helping with decentralization. You're helping with people to be more likely to buy it. And also another thing is all the Crypto.com validators, they charge anywhere between like 10 to 15% commission. And honestly, the lowest that you'll want to go is 5%. They don't need 10% or 15%. That's way too high. You're going to want to find one that's 5%. Or I guess 0%. But the reason I prefer not to do these 0% forever ones, like Jerry's Pool's forever 0%, is because they don't really have much incentive to fix their node if anything goes wrong, and all of a sudden they stop earning rewards. Well, they're just going to be like, well, I'll fix it when I have the time. They're not going to worry about it because they're not earning any money from it, so they can wait a couple days and then fix it. While people who are having a 5% commission, well, that's 2 days worth of income that they're missing out on. So they're going to want to fix it right away. So as you guys can see, this is Smart Stake. This one actually was 0% commission, but the catch is it's actually only till the end of May, which I liked because I'm fine with that. Go ahead and give me 0% until the end of May. That's fair. And then commission after promo ends is 5%, which is perfect because it kind of works with what I'm saying. 0% to get the maximum rewards, but then hopefully they hire it to 5%, so then they can have an incentive to fix their node or do whatever to make sure they maximize rewards for you and them as well. Another thing to look at is you do want to look at the commission max rate, the max change, and what their rate's at. So as you can see, the rate is at 0% right here. Their max rate is 10%. So technically they could higher the rate to 10%, and their max change amount is 0.01%. And I guess something you could also look at is what their self-delegation is. This guy has 56,766 Crow delegated. Hopefully this video was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And just to basically wrap things up once more, it's best to redelegate to a different validator who has lower commission and also not 0%, but a bit higher. 5% is pretty good. And also make sure it's not a Crypto.com validator as well. Alright, so if you want more content like this, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.